Hello friends, Chris Tips here. If you love what you're seeing right now, stay with me because we're going to find out how to do it step by step. And if you enjoy this tutorial, please leave a like at the end of the video. Let's start by opening the game and see what's my current situation. I tell you from now guys that I'm going to skip the boring parts or fast forward some of them so you don't have to do that yourself. I've just started all over again in this game. Did play for about 20 or 30 minutes. I'm going to click on this button to show you that I have almost no resource right now. And as you can see, 0 and 135. Not too much, so I would really like to improve this. Don't worry guys, we are going to change that. I know you want to see fast results, but please watch all the steps. By clicking this top left button, you can see your user ID. It is displayed in the top right part of the screen. Just copy that because we are going to use that later. Simply tap on it and it will be copied automatically. Alright, we're one step closer to reach our final goal, which will surely be great to watch. Now I'm going to exit the game screen and take a look at this site called ontweak.com. Please don't do that before watching the whole video. You can find many other things here and all of them are tested before being posted. Just use the search term to find it easier or scroll down if you wish. Here it is. I'm going to tap on it and this is how it looks. I like the design. Also, here's the place you have to put that user ID which we were talking about earlier. Nothing else needed. Oh, actually, you have to select the platform too. Forgot about it. Select the desired options. I'm going with Max in this case. Same for the Stellar Rail passes, just tap on them and wait a bit. Alright guys, so this might look like an annoying step, but it's actually very easy to do. By clicking this button, you will see a list of tasks which you can choose from. We will complete any 3 of them, and we will be able to accomplish our goal. Back to the reason why you're here. Let's get back to our Honkai game and see the results. I've done this already, but I want to share all the experience with you. That's why I fast-forwarded the loading without skipping any part of it. Why did I even have emotions while recording this? I mean, it was not the first time, but yeah, it seems always different. Let's simply tap on this button and see how much I got. Wait, is it stuck? Oh, of course not. Do you see how nicely they're rising? This is incredibly satisfying, guys. I don't even know how to position it to show how great it looks to see this literally live. Thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you enjoy it. If you encounter any problem, tell me in the comment section below. Until then, please leave a like and even a subscribe if you wish. Cheers!